Imagine a month so special that Allah Himself chose it for the revelation of the Holy Quran. A month where the gates of Jannah are opened and the gates of Jahannam are closed. Yes, I'm talking about the blessed month of Ramadan. Ramadan is not just about staying hungry or thirsty. It's about self-control, purification, and becoming closer to Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever fasts during Ramadan with faith and seeking reward, all his past sins will be forgiven." This is the month where one night is more powerful than 1,000 months, Laylatul Qadr. Imagine worshipping for just one night and getting the reward of 83 years of ibadah. But let's not forget, Ramadan is not just about fasting, it's about character. The Prophet Muhammad taught us, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character." He was the most merciful, the most kind. And even in Ramadan, he focused not just on fasting but on helping others, forgiving people, and increasing in worship. So this Ramadan, don't just stay hungry. Feed the poor, pray sincerely, control your anger, and strengthen your connection with Allah. Because the real success is not just completing the fasts, but coming out of Ramadan as a better Muslim. For more Islamic reminders, hadiths, and motivational content, subscribe to Altamash Sayz. Let's spread the message of Islam together. Like, share, and subscribe now. May Allah bless us all in this holy month. Ameen.